Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on color ID here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to solve double running here. Click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means solve double running disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.